Hello dear friend, welcome to the Tourism with Sitare Dan channel. In this video, we intend to challenge your knowledge. Despite being confident that you are a genius, let's go and explore the visual question related to this video together. The images you're seeing, which famous world tourist attraction do they belong to? Is it Juscar in Spain or Chefchaouen in Morocco? From this very moment, you have only 10 seconds to identify the correct answer. Ten seconds are up, and the answer to our question is the Chefchaouen in Morocco. Chefchaouen, situated in Morocco, is an enchanting destination celebrated for its captivating beauty. With its distinctive blue-washed buildings set against the backdrop of the Rif Mountains, the town offers a picturesque and alluring panorama. Explore the lively local culture by wandering through the narrow, winding streets and savor the unique charm that defines this scenic Moroccan gem. Indulge in the local cuisine and explore the vibrant Medina for traditional crafts. Chefchaouen promises an unforgettable experience of colors and cultural richness, leaving visitors spellbound. Explore the captivating allure of Chefchaouen in Morocco and its surrounding attractions. Delve into the featured content for an in-depth guide. The narrative expands to introduce Saad Lamjared, a renowned Moroccan singer and international music sensation, providing glimpses into his remarkable musical journey and accomplishments in the global music scene. Thank you for accompanying me until the end of the video.